I would like to discuss with you what to do if you or someone you are riding with is involved in an automobile or a motorcycle. It's very important that you get as much information as possible documenting what took place, including getting statements, telephone numbers, names, addresses. If you are able to do so, then begin the accident exchange or accident information exchange, where you get complete information from all the drivers involved in the crash, including their names, addresses, date of birth if you can, and most importantly, their insurance information, including the name of the company, the policy number, and the expiration dates. These are very important facts to document. If you have a camera with you, obviously taking pictures of the crash scene, including the vehicles involved, debris at the scene, any important landmarks, skid marks, that would be helpful. Another important thing to do is, if there are any witnesses, make sure you get their complete name, telephone numbers, business cards if possible, and even email information. That is very helpful. Once you've gotten all the documentation, including photographs, names, telephone numbers, and insurance information, contact our office as soon as possible so that we can begin the investigation to help you maximize your recovery. Also, please do not be fooled by the insurance company's claims that they will tell you within a day or two, if you get a phone call before you've met with an attorney, they're going to promise you the world. Insurance adjusters are notorious for telling you, quote, "Don't worry, you don't need an attorney. We will take good care of you." Please be very leery of that, because that's the first thing you want to do, is get your guard up, because they're going to promise you the world. Their job, the adjuster's job, is to settle your claim as quickly and as cost efficiently as possible. Whereas if you meet with an attorney, we can tell you what your options are and where you can go with the case. So it's very important that before you sign any releases, give a statement. Please contact our office. Insurance adjusters will want to speak to you over the phone right away, and they're going to want to take a recorded statement from you. Your best option is to decline a recorded statement. Once you've given that recorded statement, that version of how the collision happened is ingrained in history. It becomes more difficult to challenge that statement, particularly when you make the statement within a day or two following the collision. So before you act on impulse, contact our office to discuss your case. Insurance adjusters will want to speak to you over the phone right away, and they're going to want to take a recorded statement from you. Your best option is to decline a recorded statement. Once you've given that recorded statement, that version of how the collision happened is ingrained in history. It becomes more difficult to challenge that statement, particularly when you make the statement within a day or two following the collision. So before you act on impulse, contact our office to discuss your case.